you believe in as well?
Tony, 100%. I couldn't have said it any better myself. And you know, a different topic for a different day, but I truly believe myself that we're all from the same source energy, that we're all interconnected anyway. I know that to be fact at a molecular level, that we're all the same energy buzzing around in different forms, and in this existence we call it human life, and they call you Tony and they call me Jerry, but we're really all from the same and are the same anyway. So it's really a natural occurrence to help each other and to go looking for that. You're you know, who am I looking? I'm looking for help from myself, if you really want to get to a metaphysical level. And so, you know, it's the part where I look at it, and you know, this whole thing that you're involved with on this call, the Coach's Concierge, is just an amazing. It's an amazing thing. It's a resource, and you know, like any other resource, it's only as good as it's put to use. You know, you guys have, you know, I'm very familiar with what you've been doing, Tony, and did extensive research on what's offered on your website and things like that. And this is something that people just need to get involved with. And it's the kind of stuff where every involvement might be different. It might just be someone who wants to browse and maybe find, you know, pick some ideas off of your website, or it might be a business owner or a client that will benefit from the professional expertise that the three of you and others are bringing to the table. So, you know, it is a sharing experience, Tony. We're all connected. You know, the people who are the Lone Rangers, in my opinion, it just doesn't work anymore. You can't do it. You can't ride around on your own horse and think that you can just do things yourself. It's a cooperative world that we live in, and one with a lot of expertise like the three of you bring to the table. So, you know, I encourage anybody that listens to this call either now or may listen to it on the recording, you know, don't be a Lone Ranger. Don't think you have to do it yourself. You know, be willing to expose yourself a little bit. Be a little vulnerable. Share the things that you don't know with someone and go looking for the answers. The answers are here. You know, everything that ever was or will be is here. It's just a matter of, can you uncover it?
I am like smiling from ear to ear here. Jerry, thank you.